Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Dragonfly Energy Holdings. You can see this stock today is up by 2.26%, and over the course of tonight's video I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions on this. I must say though, if you do enjoy the videos, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It does help me out a lot. At the same time, remember, I am not a financial advisor, so this is not financial advice. And with that being said, let's jump straight into the video and have a look at the trend over here. Now, as I say, today has been green. Now you see this bottom coming in the early part of the week, if not the late part of last week. You see the stock hitting levels around 110. Since then, we've seen another retest of these recent highs, but again, we just did not manage to break above levels all the way up at 250, 260. Now the question is, what are we looking for? Now the question is, what are we looking to hold? Well, realistically, we are beginning to form a nice base here, right? We're beginning to form a nice level of support. You're seeing support ranges around 120, and 120 is the level I want to see holding into next week. If I zoom out a little bit further, you can see support's right about here on the 8th, holding at 120, similar to what we are seeing today. This could be a key level to watch to the downside. Of course, if you are not able to hold that very easily, looking at 110, I think that could be the next level down from there. At the same time, this stock is still very low on the RSI, even given the relatively small rise that we have seen in the late part of the day. So this is already a stock which has gone from being quite touching the overbought range to actually touching the oversold range. That could be a very interesting trend of itself to watch out for. Levels to break above that I'm looking for into next week, I'm looking at 140, I'm looking at 150, 145 potentially, I'm looking at 160 as well being a key level. Also, so is 165. So 160 to 165 potential breakout point. If we're able to touch that, 140 could also be significant. Those are the numbers that I'm looking at, guys. I'd love to hear your personal thoughts in the comments. Thank you for your time and goodbye for now.